Hello, she.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. How are you today, she?
I'm fine.
Okay, that is good to hear. Where did you go in the morning?
I go to coffee.
Okay. What about in the afternoon? Do you have any plans? What will you do this afternoon?
I play with my younger sister.
Oh, you have a younger sister. Okay, she. So have fun with your sister. So now let me share my screen first because we will be answering your homework. Okay, for a moment. Okay, so it's in here. So if you could still remember, she last time we talked about the 12 months of the year, and here it is. So all you have to do here is to unscramble the letters to write the months of the year. Okay, can you tell me what month is it?
June,
Very good. This one, she.
September,
Okay, yes, very good. September. This one,
March,
very good. What about this?
April,
That's right. And
December,
very good. What about this?
August,
That's correct. She. This one,
May, November,
that's correct. This one,
January,
that's correct. She. Okay, last three.
July, February,
And the last one.
October.
Very good. Okay, so now we're done unscrambling. You have to tell me the months in order. Okay, what is the first month of the year, she?
January,
What about the second one?
February, March, April,
That's correct. 5 months? Fifth month? Yes, it's May.
May,
Mm-hmm. Sixth month,
June,
she.
June,
What about?
July,
Very good. Eighth month?
August,
That's correct. Ninth month?
S- Sep- September,
That's correct. What about the 10th one?
October, November,
And the last one.
and December.
Okay, there you have it. Very good. Okay, so now use the months of the year sheet to answer the following questions. Let us try answering the first one. Which is the second month of the year?
The second month of the year is February.
Very good. That's correct. Which is the last month of the year?
The last month of the year is December.
Very good. She now which month is between March and May?
The month is between March and May is April.
Very good. Which month is usually hot? In Vietnam, which month is
Uh,
usually hot?
June is June is usually hot.
Oh, okay. Which month is usually cold in Vietnam?
In Vietnam, December is usually cold.
Because it's winter, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. When do leaves fall from trees?
Leaf farm trees in August.
Oh, in August. But can you tell me when do leaves fall from trees? If we're talking about the four seasons, do leaves fall from trees in summer, winter, spring, or um yeah, summer, spring, autumn, or fall? In the four seasons, we have you said that leaves fall from trees in August, right? But if we talk about the four seasons, when do leaves fall from trees? Is it in summer, winter, fall, or spring?
Is in autumn.
Okay, yes, autumn or fall. That is correct because when we say spring, it is the blooming season. Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st June.
Okay. Oh, tomorrow. Tomorrow is your birthday, she. Advance happy
Yes,
birthday, she. What will you do tomorrow? Will you have a party?
I yes.
Mhm.
I
Okay.
I play with my friend at my home.
Okay, interesting. Enjoy your day tomorrow. Okay, so who are invited? Your friends. How many friends?
5.
Oh, five best friends?
Yes.
Whoa, okay. That is so fun, And what will your mom make? What will you eat tomorrow?
Chicken and spaghetti.
Ooh, okay. What about cake? A cake, cake. You have to blow the candle and make a wish, right?
Yes.
What is your wish, she? Do you have a wish? Wait, let me translate it real quick, she. What is your wish?
I I wish I wish have a have a new
Oh,
pet.
okay, you want to have a new pet?
Yes.
What pet is it? Do you want a dog?
Pet is animals.
Yes, what pet do you want? Do you want a dog?
I want a hamster.
Oh, you want a hamster. But what about now, she? Do you have a pet right now?
No,
Oh, no, you don't. Okay. Hopefully, your mom will give you a hamster tomorrow. She let us hope for that. Okay. Thank you for
I
sharing it.
think
Oh, you don't think? Okay. Hopefully, your mom and dad will give you a hamster tomorrow so you will be really happy. Okay. So, next one now. When is Christmas celebrated?
Christmas celebrate on 25th December.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Very good. When is Halloween celebrated?
Halloween celebrate on 31st October.
Okay, yes, that is correct. She in October. And when does school start?
In Vietnam, school start in September.
Oh, in September. Wow, you have a very long holiday. Okay, so enjoy and yeah, keep learning during these times. Now we'll have the four seasons. Okay, wait, let us have this one first. Okay, can you tell me, what season is it?
Is spring.
Okay, yes, it's spring. Okay, so spring is a warm season. See, just like what we can see in this picture right here. Now, what about this one? What season is it?
Is summer.
Yes, very good. It's summer, and summer is the best time to go to the beach and swim. Did you go to the beach recently, she? Yes. Do you live
Yes.
near the beach?
Yes, I
Is your house near the beach?
yes.
Oh, yes, it is. Wait, where are you from, she? Where do you live?
I I'm from
Danang?
I'm from Huế.
Oh, in Hue. Oh, you live in Hue. Okay. Well, I think, three students from Hue too. Okay, maybe you know them, but maybe you don't. Okay, so you are from where? Okay, what about this one? What season is it?
Is fun.
Okay, yes, it's fall. And this time, we can see that a lot of trees will fall from the tree. Okay, so that is fall. And the last one, what season is it?
Is winter.
Okay, yes. Oh, you have winter in Vietnam, but does it snow in Vietnam?
No.
No? Okay, but I think, do you know Mount Fansipan? Mount Fansipan is, I believe it is,
Yes, I
oh,
know.
it snows in Mount Fansipan. It snows in Mount Fansipan. Wait, snow and Mount Fansipan. See, it snows there, but I believe the rest of the places in Vietnam It don't. But in Mount Fansipan, yes, they have snow. Oh, you don't know? Yes, they have. See, this is Mount Fansipan, and they have snow there in winter. She. Do you want to go to Mount Fansipan?
I like go because because I my family no one go.
Oh, okay. But hopefully one day, see, you will go here, so you will experience the snow. Okay, so this is Mount Fansipan. Yes, and it is, I believe it's just near you because you live in Vietnam. Okay, so now can you tell me again, see, what are the four seasons that we talked about?
Summer,
What about the coldest season?
summer,
Yes, we have summer. The coldest season, she, where it snows. What season is that? Winter.
winter,
What else? Last two.
fall,
Okay, yes. Summer, winter, fall, or what we call autumn. They're just the same.
spring.
Okay, yes, there you have it. We have four seasons. Now, in here, she, all you have to do is to answer the questions. Can you tell me what season is it?
Is summer.
Very good, she. What season is it?
It is fall.
Okay, very good. It is indeed fall. What season is it?
Is spring.
Very good. She, and the last one, what season is it?
Is winter.
Very good. She, that is correct. Now let us have exercise for listen and repeat. Okay, so we have here hot.
Hot.
It's hot.
Is hot.
Okay. What's the weather like in Way right now, she?
Is summer.
Oh, yes. What about the weather? Is it sunny? Is it hot and sunny? Oh, yes, it is. I see. Okay, so by the way, see, when we say hot, of course, it means it's very warm. Okay, and most people, if it's really hot, if they'll go out, they use umbrella or they use the electric fan when they are at home or an air conditioner. Do you have an air conditioner, she?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, next one now we have,
Cold.
okay, yes, cold. It's cold. And when we say cold, she, it means it is not warm. Okay, it is not hot. It is having a low temperature. Okay, next one now. What is it?
Warm.
Yes, warm. It's Warm. And when we say warm, it means it's just a little hot, but it is comfortable. Okay, just a little hot. Next one, she.
Is
It's
is cool.
Yes, that's right. It's cool. And when we say cool, it means it is a little cold. Okay? A little cold. Not so cold, just a little. And the last one we have.
Freezing.
Yes, that's correct. Freezing. It's freezing. So when we say freezing, it is different to cool and cold because when we say freezing, it means it's very cold. Okay, very, very cold. Okay, so now let us have this picture. Okay, so how's the weather? Okay, let us have this one. How's the weather, she?
Is
How's the weather? Is it hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing?
free. No. Cool.
Okay, it is not cool, but warm. Okay, see, wait, let us have this one first. See, it is warm because it goes like this. Okay, wait, let me show you everything. Okay, so let me arrange it for you. It starts with hot and then warm, cool, cold, and freezing. Okay, so this is in order, she. So when we say hot, it is having a high temperature. This one, warm, it means that it's just a little hot, but it's comfortable. Cool, it means a little cold. Cold, it's cold. Okay, but freezing, it's very cold. So now, can you tell me how's the weather?
Is
Just choose one.
wa warm.
Yes, very good. It's warm. See, he is dressing up and feeling comfortable. Okay, it's not that hot, but not that cold. It's warm. Now, how's the weather?
Is freezing.
Very good. There you have it. How's the weather? See, he's going to the beach because it is.
Cold. Very cold.
Oh, is it very cold? It is. It is. When do we go to the beach? If it is really
Hot.
hot, very good. And how's the weather? It's
Is
it's what do you think?
Can you speak again?
How's the weather? She Is
In
it
the
hot?
picture,
Yes. Is it hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing?
hot.
Is
It's
it
hot.
hot? But she is wearing a coat. See, wait.
Uh,
In this
S-
picture, she.
Cold.
Okay, yes, it is cold. That is right, she. So now, let us have this one. So, how is the weather in fall, she? Is it hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing?
Cool.
Is it
Or what?
cool?
Warm.
Okay, yes, it is warm in fall. See, look at how she is dressed. She is feeling comfortable. Now, how is the weather in spring?
Is cool.
Okay, it is cool. Now, how's the weather in winter?
Is cold.
Okay, yes, it is called She. No, I believe that's all that for our class today, She. So next meeting we'll continue that one. So thank you so much for joining our class today, She, and advance happy birthday, She.
Hey,
Goodbye, She.
goodbye, teacher.